Good afternoon, students. I am Nilendu. Today I am discussing about very important topic, important chapter in class 11 level, that is projectile motion. Do you get this? I think you have. Now we have to do some calculation of maximum height, range, total time of flight, etc. etc. I am drawing again the diagram because it's too clumsy here. You see. So we have found out a formula which is y equals to tan theta x minus gx square by 2u square cos square theta. It's a formula, parabolic formula, Cartesian equation. It's called Cartesian equation of projectile motion. Okay. Acha. Now I am drawing the diagram again. Just I have not drawn any P because we have already found out the equation of P, that is the equation of Cartesian equation of this projectile motion. It's not normal shape, it's a parabolic shape you see from here. Component is theta, so one component is ux, that is u cos theta, another is uy, that is u sin theta. Now I am going to find out one more thing I must say. Vertical component here equal to 0. Now I am going to find out time of ascent, that is time taken to reach from O to A, that is TOA. What will be that? You see formula, time formula in 1D motion, Vy equals to Uy minus Gt. V equal to U minus Gt, but I will take the vertical component. Vy equals to Uy minus Gt. See from here Vy equal to 0 because it is going up, na? That is why Uy or Vy. Y component. Now Vy equal to 0. Uy equals to U sin theta minus G. T we have taken TOA, so it is TOA. From here we can easily have TOA equals to U sin theta by G. What will be time of descent, that is time taken to reach from A to B? Same, because time of ascent equal to time of descent in vertical motion here, vertical motion also. And it is ground to ground projectile, oblique projectile, here it will be again same, because of air is absent. We have discussed earlier, we have considered here, we have assumed here, air is absent. So time of ascent equals to time of descent. So TOB, time of descent, same thing, U sin theta by G. So total time of flight, what will be that? This plus this, U sin theta by G plus U sin theta by G. Adding we have 2U sin theta by G. What will be the range? What will be the height, maximum height? Okay, I am finding out firstly maximum height, that AC equals to H. What will be that? At highest point you see Vy 0. Height formula. Three formulas are there in 1D motion, three formulas. One is V equals to U minus Gt or plus Gt. H equals to Ut plus G, half Gt square or minus half Gt square. This square equals to U square plus 2Gh or minus 2Gh. We are throwing the body against gravity, so we will take all minus G. I am taking V square equal to U square minus 2Gh. Actually V square Y, U square Y minus 2Gh. What will be V square Y? V square will be 0. I am using this because it has already done. Oh, it is also a formula. What is V square Y? 0. So 0 equals to u square y means u sin theta square. So u square sin square theta will come in. u sin theta square minus 2gh. From here h equals to u square sin square theta by 2g. So we have already found out t, total time of flight, we have found out maximum height. Now I am going to find out this range. That is R. That is O to B. And what will be that? OB equals to actually R. And that should be Ux into capital T. Total time. We don't take any G here because that component is 0. Ux for u cos theta. And T equals to u sin theta by G. What is coming? Finally, it is coming. R equals to u square 2 sin theta cos theta by G, and 2 sin theta cos theta from trigonometry is sin 2 theta, so R equals to u square sin 2 theta by G. This is the formula of range. So what we have discussed here, parabolic equation. We have discussed a total time of flight. We have discussed a maximum height. We have discussed a range. That are the four formula in general in projectile motion. If theta equals to 45 degree, you see, from this equation, then sin 2 theta will be 1. And you know sin 2 theta maximum value is 1. That is why what will be R? U square by G, that is maximum because of sin theta is 1 equals maximum, so it is called R max. In that situation, when theta equals to 45 degree, H can also be found out. H equals to, I am writing it here, H equals to U square sin square theta by 2G, that is U square sin square 45 by 2G, sin 45 1 by root 2, sin square 45 half, so it is coming U square by 4G. You have to remember all those formulas, otherwise you can't do any numericals formula base. So you have to practice all the numerical for your upcoming exam. One most important topic I am discussing here, see. If two projectiles are projected from point of projection at angle theta and at angle 90 degree minus theta. This angle is theta, this angle is 90 degree minus theta. That is, both should be complementary angle. Suppose theta is 30 degree, that should be 60 degree. Theta is 20 degree, it is 70 degree. 45, whatever sum of these two angles should be 90 degree, complementary angle. And must mind it, velocity of them must be equal. That is, if it is u 20 meter per second, it is also 20 meter per second. Then they both travel same range. Height is different. See, this height is small, this height is greater. Height is different. Time of flight also be different because it is taken smaller time, less time, it is taken greater time. So time is also different, but range is same. Why? What is the formula of range? U square sin 2 theta by G when it is thrown at an angle theta. But when it is thrown at 90 degree minus theta, then what will be that? Suppose R dash U square sin 290 minus theta by G. Sin 290 minus theta means sin 180 degree minus theta, and the sin 180 degree minus theta, you know, sin theta, so it is coming U square sin theta by G also. Sin 2 theta by G, because 2 into 90 180 minus 2 theta sin 2 theta by G. So R dash is coming sin 2 theta sin U square sin 2 theta by G. R is coming U square sin 2 theta by G. So both of them are equal, so R equals to R dash. So they can give MCQ in exam. They can give two projectiles are projected at angle 30 degree and 60 degree, show that their ranges are equal. Or MCQs, so many MCQs can come. But whatever MCQ, whatever numericals they are giving, whatever conceptual question, whatever test-based question, whatever they are giving, you have to know the topic very well because it's very important topic for your upcoming exam. Am I clear to all? If any problem, then you can ask me later. Thank you. In class 11-12 level, both in ISC and CBSE board as well as West Bengal board.